Hello kids, welcome to today's study class. Today we learn how to color in our pineapple and use some colors. Let's learn some colors name. Dark green color, yellow color, pink color, light green color, orange color, violet color, grey color, sky blue color, black color, lemon color. Kids, today we learn how to color in our pineapple. Today we make this pineapple colorful. Let's start. The green color. Pineapple's upper part. The green color. Today we are use multicolor in our pineapple. Orange color. Pink color. Sky blue color. Grey color. Light green color. Yellow color. Violet color. So kids, we are making this pineapple colorful. Use some colors. Kids, look at this now. This is looking so beautiful. If you like my video kids, please like and subscribe my channel. Bye bye kids, in the next class.